the standard form of, so let us write this one first. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. The standard is the standard form. Standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then A R P. Okay, fine. So next, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is 2. Okay, so this is a one linear equation into variables. This is a one more linear equation into variables. So together we call what? Pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Here where a1 comma b1 comma a2 comma b2 is not equal to 0, because you know the reason. Pair of linear equation into variables means you need how many variables in the equation? Two variables. Suppose a1 and b1 both are becoming 0. Suppose if any one of them becomes 0 means it will not have form of what? Linear equation into variables. So that's why a1 b1 as well as a2 b2 is not equal to 0, and a1 comma b1 comma a2 comma b2 comma c1 comma c2 are belongs to real numbers. We are going to taking all these constants from real numbers. So already we discussed linear equation into variables in 9th standard. For example, 2x minus y is equal to 5. 2x minus y is equal to 5. Is this a linear equation into variable? Is a linear equation into variable or not? Yes. Suppose if you are going to drawing a graph for this equation, what you will get here? Straight line. Yes? You will get a straight line? Yes, sir. So suppose if you are going to taking a one more equation, for example, x minus 2y is equal to 6. So now it is become what? Two equations. So for first equation you are going to getting a one straight line. For second equation you are going to getting a one more straight line. So let us try how many possibilities of a straight line you can draw. Anyone? How many straight lines you can draw? That if you are if I given a two straight lines, what are the possibilities here? So the first possibility you are going to drawing like this, intersecting. Parallel. So next possibility is parallel. So the next possibility is coincident. Understood here? Overlap. So it means what? Here the solution. If the lines are intersecting means there is only one solution. If the lines are parallel, no solution. If the lines are coincident, yes or no dear? Yes. So if the equations only given, how to decide these two equations are intersecting, these two equations are parallel, these two equations are coincident. How to find that one? the coefficient of the variables, and we are going to comparing that one. On that base, we are going to telling how many solutions are exist for these two equations. Okay? Solution of a pair of linear equation. So consistent pair means what? A pair of linear equation in two variables which has a solution. Which has a solution. Consistent means what? Consistence means exist. So a pair of linear equation in two variables which has a solution is called what? A consistent pair of a linear equation. It means what? Solutions are exist. Dependent means what? Same solutions. Coincident lines we get here. So then inconsistent. Inconsistent means what here? No solution. Means lines are here parallel. A pair of linear equation which has a no solution is called what? An inconsistent pair of linear equation. So first one, consistent means what? Solutions are exist. Consistent means what? Solutions are exist. Inconsistent means what? Solution does not exist. So dependent pair means what? You are getting the same results. So that's why infinite number of solutions you will get here. So that's why a pair of linear equations which are equivalent has infinitely many distinct common solutions. Many distinct what? Common solution for both pair of linear equations. For both the equations you are getting a same solutions here. So such a pair is called what? Dependent pair of linear equation in two variables. So let us consider a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So by graphically we are going to discussing the lines are intersecting, the lines are parallel, the lines are coincident. So then what about by using only coefficients, how to identify them? So it's very easy. You are observing this one, comparing the ratios. A1 by A2, B1 by B2. These two constants are not, these two ratios are not equal means that is what? Intersecting lines we will get here. Intersecting lines. Understood? In this case, we are going to getting what? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Coincident lines. Here, parallel lines. Okay? So what is the condition here? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So next one. So how many solutions are exist? Only one solution. Intersecting means what? Only one solution you will get here. So it means consistency, solutions exist or not. It may be a one solution or many solutions. Solutions exist or not here? Exist. Solutions are exist. So therefore it is a consistent. Okay? So then, suppose all the comparing the ratios, all the ratios are equal. That is A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, all are equal. Then which type of lines we will get here? Coincident lines. Coincident lines. So coincident line means what? How many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. So it is dependent. Means what? Same solutions, same common solutions we are going to getting here. So then A1 by B1, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Here, these two are equal, but constant term is not equal. Then how many solutions are existent? No solution. What about the lines? Parallel lines. Understood? So no solution, inconsistent. Inconsistent means what? No solution. Solution does not exist here. So therefore these two lines are parallel. One example. So just taking one example here. Simple example. X minus y is equal to 6. x plus y is equal to 5. So these two are pair of derivative two variables or not? Yes or no? So these two equations are have how many solutions? So we'll check it. So let us check me here. A1 is equal to what here? A1 is equal to what? 1. The coefficient of x in the first equation. A2 is equal to what? 1 in the coefficient of x in the second equation. We'll write it here. A2 is equal to what? That is also 1. B1 is equal to what? Minus 1. B2 is equal to what? 1. C1 is equal to what? 6. C2 is equal to what? 5. According to the table, C1 is equal to 6 minus 1. Standard form means this is minus, this is also minus. Okay? So now A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Will check first. A1 by A1, A2 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 6 by 5. So first here A1 by A2, B1 by B2 both are equal here. No, these two are not equal means which type of graph you will get here? Intersecting each other. So two lines are here intersecting each other. We'll plot a graph for this one. So here you are getting what? Intersecting lines. It means what? How many solutions here? One solution. Yes or no? How many solution? One solution. So we'll start. We'll draw the diagram. How to draw a graph here? For first equation, last year same method. Once again, x minus y is equal to 6. So let us draw one box here. This is x, this is y. Understood? Next, here, it's a very simple solution. So direct, very shortcut method I am telling you. How to get the values here. So to draw a straight line, how many points you need to draw a straight line? 2 points. At least 2 points you need here. So it means, so let us take here. Once time this is a 0 means one time this is a 0. So one time x will die means one time y will die. First equation. X is equal to there. Y is equal to only y is equal to. Understood here? Yes. Suppose if minus y गया क्या हो गया 6 okay understood see here if x gone so if y gone what is remaining here x is equal to 6 right simple huh suppose once again if x gone what is remaining minus y is equal to so therefore y is equal to minus 6 so you have to write it here in sentence how here if x is equal to 0 y is equal to minus 6 next if y is equal to 0 x is equal to 6 so let us follow this method. It is very easy. Okay? And not every time I am going to give you one more different example here. In that case, what you have to do, I will explain that. So now we'll take one more equation here. Yeah. X plus y is equal to 5. So let us draw the table. This is x, this is y. So one time x gaya, one time y gaya. If x is gaya means y kahan? You have to write it here. Yes, yes. See here. Can I take mask here now? Then it's very easy to identify. If x gone, what is remaining? Plus y is equal to 5. It means y is equal to y is equal to a note here in this case plus 5. Yes sir, note here. Very good. In here, what here? Yes. Next one. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. One straight line first, like this. One more straight line, like what are the how we are going to take the coordinates? First x value, then y value. X comma y are not. See here, x comma y will take this one first. It means what? 0 comma minus here is in the position minus 6 niche down. So where is the point? Here. So this point is 0 comma minus 6. So it means what is this point? 6 comma 0. Let us draw a straight line. Okay? Start to draw this one. We will get. Yes, it's the first straight line. Yes or no? So we will draw one more straight line here for 0, 5. We'll check 0, 5. 0 is here, 5 is upper here. This is 0 comma 5. Next 5 comma 0. Here. Okay. So this is what 5 comma 0. Yes, very good. So this is 5 comma 0. Let us draw the straight line. Yes. Intersecting lines are not here. X is equal to what here? 5.5 are not here. Yes, comma. What is the x value? Minus 0.5. We'll check it. Yes, minus 0.5. So x value is 5.5, y value is minus 0.5. So let us substitute the value of x and y here. 5.5 minus 0.5. You will get 5 or not? Yes? Now come here. In this equation, 5.5 minus of minus 0.5. 5.5 plus 0.5. See that? Yes.